Hi all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the accrual concept and clearing account. So before we are going to start, we need to know why we have a relevance of accrual concept and clearing account. So I have given an example of salaries. Like I want that I want that I will pay all the amount uh, will be credit in in my employees account on 31st of March. In that case, I will accrue the amount in my books of account and then cleared it by bank clearing account. So first entry is related to the salaries. First entry is salaries account debit to outstanding salary. That is a accrual entry. Second entry is on 31st of March outstanding salary to bank clearing account. It means I want that the amount of payment which I need to retain in our books of account until I will transfer it through the bank account. So so that by on 31st of March it will be cleared through the bank account. In that case, I will post the entry bank clearing account debit to bank account. So here bank clearing account we are using so that on last day we don't need to calculate how much amount we need to give to our employee, and it is helpful to retain the payment for a single day, and it help us to give a payment to our employee in a one go. So in that case we need bank clearing account here. So here I have written that a clearing account is a temporary holding account used to process and settle the transactions. It is a temporary account, and we just hold the amount of payment for a single day or some period of time, so that uh, on a particular date we will transfer the payment in a particular account. I have another example. Like in a 11th standard, we have seen if we purchase the goods in cash, so our entry will be purchase account debit to cash, because cash is going and we have purchased the goods. So when the cash is coming, then it will be debit, and if the cash is going, in that case it will be credit. So here I have credited the cash, and the reason of credited the cash is purchase. And if we see in a corporate, so corporate use the purchase account debit to Ram's account first, that is a or we can say account payable account, and then on a settlement date it will be transferred to the bank clearing account. Then on a then when the entry cleared from the bank clearing to bank, then entry will be bank clearing account debit to bank account. This entry will be posted by the account payable department, and this entry will be posted by the treasury team. These below both entries. So after, if you see, there is if you see, it is a credit here, and if you see here is debit. So after all it will be nullify, and impact of this entry is 0. So I have given an example of bad debt also, to understand what is the entry of bad debt. So uh, like here we have purchased the, sorry, there is no relevance of it here. uh, I have another example of furniture, that is uh, I, in a 11th standard we have seen that entry, if we purchase the furniture in cash, then our entry will be furniture account debit to cash. And but uh, in a corporate we use fixed asset clearing account debit to Siam's account or accounts payable account. and when and then this fixed asset clearing account on a 1st of Jan, we don't know whether this fixed asset whether this goods which we have purchased is classified as an operating expense or it will be capitalized. Then after the 10th of Jan, our stakeholders, or we can say uh, uh, onshore team, confirm us that we need to uh, consider it as a fixed asset. So our entry will be fixed asset account debit to fixed asset clearing account, or if they consider it as an operating expense, then our entry will be operating expense account debit to fixed asset clearing account. If you see here, fixed asset clearing account is debit and fixed asset clearing account will be credit. And after all, if you see, then impact of this entry will be zero, even it is considered as a fixed asset or it is considered as an operating expense. So here uh, I have given an example whether asset should be capitalized or operating expense. Like laptop is considered as an capital asset and mouse is considered as an operating expense. It is fully depend on a life of an asset. Like I have purchased a laptop, so in that case, if if the life of an asset is more than 1 year, then it will be treated as an fixed asset. Otherwise, it will be considered as a operating expense if the life of an asset is less than or equal to 1 year, then it will be considered as an operating expense and transferred to the profit and loss account. I have another example. uh, then after then uh, like we have purchased the fixed asset from the Shyam, then it will be transferred to the bank clearing account. When we are going to pay the money to the Shyam, then entry will be Shyam's account debit or accounts payable account debit to bank clearing account. And when it will be settled through bank account, then in that case bank clearing account to bank account. That is a final entry. And these entries are used in the SAP, and your homework will be salaries account, rent entry, sales entry, advance salaries entry, and deductions. You need to prepare so that you will easily to understand what I am saying to you. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot.